Humane. When we hear the word humane, we automatically think of a variety of things. In our minds, there are various questions and viewpoints that need to be addressed. Do we all have a plan in mind for how we'll get there? We all have varied ideas and descriptions of what it means to be humane. So, we must first grasp the true meaning in order to comprehend and realize it. There are various key factors to consider in order to view ourselves as human individuals. Being humane entails being kind, sympathetic, and compassionate toward others as well as ourselves. Justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace are some of the other considerations to consider. Getting justice is a part of being a humane person. Justice is an ethical and legal notion. This is to say, people act in a way that is fair, equal, and balanced for all. It is simple for us to define it, but it is difficult for us to serve and provide it to people in need. We are also averting our gaze and turning a blind eye to issues in our society and seek justice. We won't be able to get the justice we need if we don't have money days. It's unfortunate to say, but money can buy justice, and as a result, we can't achieve fair justice. Freedom is valuable commodity that we all require. We need the freedom that we've all been yearning for. The freedom to express ourselves and be who and what we truly are. Not the freedom to travel to different places. We will be more authentic by expressing of inner selves. We must also demonstrate and give love to everyone. It is critical to demonstrate and give love to others in order to establish a humane society. By doing so, we are merely demonstrating our concern for them, demonstrating our ability to assist them, and reassuring them that they are not alone. We must also think about equality. Equality means that we must all be equal in every way. Social equality refers to a situation in which all members of a society have the same rights, liberties, and status, which may include civil rights, freedom of expression, autonomy, and equal access to certain public goods and social services. We must treat everyone equally. Inequality, a person standing in irrelevant. The first step toward being humane is equality. Finally, there was the peace that we all desired. We required peace in order for everyone to be able to escape the pain. Peace will assist us in becoming more humanitarian individuals, and we must all unite and act as one. There are many more things we can do to make the world a more humane place. All we have to know is take action and make it happen. Always keep in mind and every action has an equal and opposite reaction. We will be able to do it. All we had to do is begin. And we must begin with ourselves before spreading it to love, to others. Let us work together to create the humane society that we all desire. It's time to take a step toward and get started. Let's make it reality. Thank you.